What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 121 and today's topic will be how to create knowledge graph for HR applications using LangChain. Okay, so in the last tutorial we have seen how to create Neo4j Knowledge Graph using an YouTube video, and in this tutorial we'll be going to do something more exciting. The topic is same. We are going to definitely create knowledge graph, but this time our source information will be different. So this time we'll be going to use an employee resume or CV to create the knowledge graph. Okay, so the scenario is suppose you are working for or maybe your client is actually a big consultancy or maybe like people consultancy. So they are dealing with recruitment processing and etc, and they are manually processing multiple resumes, CV, checking the information and etc. Now suppose they want to hire for a specific requirement, let's say at big data. So what they are going to do, they will search with big data and multiple resumes are coming. But suppose if they want to do something more intelligent way using artificial intelligence, then probably definitely they require something called RAG. But the classical RAGs are nowadays very old. Now we are actually doing everything in the graph RAG, and the graph RAG basis is actually the base system for information is knowledge graph. So that is why the building of knowledge graph we are going to do it here. Okay, so our source information will be an employee CV, and from that CV we'll be going to create a knowledge graph, Neo4j knowledge graph. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do it. Okay, same thing, we'll be going to use LLM graph transformer. I'm not going to create any prerequisite slide here, but code and everything will be available here. Without wasting much time, let me start working on my this thing. Okay, so first thing first, you have to go here and you have to create a blank Neo4j sandbox. I click here and I am going to actually create a download credential. Okay, so this is ready. Let's wait. Okay. Okay, so this is done. Now what will happen? I'll click here. I'll go to connection details and we'll be going to copy this information. So first click URL. I'll go to my VS Code. I'll go to this env and I'll be going to do it. This username is Neo4j always, and the password is this one. Okay, we are setting up the environment variable. So don't worry guys, after the tutorial I'll be just going to delete everything. Okay, let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay. So this is our CV. Just downloaded it from internet. Some CV, some information. So this is a 2-page CV or 1-page CV, right? A Python developer, then like this. Okay. Okay, now start working on the actual thing. First thing first, we'll be going to load the PDF. Okay, so for that I'll be going to import from LangChain init dot document loaders import by PDF loader, right? And we'll be going to import from LangChain OpenAI import chat OpenAI, that is also required. We'll be going to import a chat prompt template. So from LangChain underscore core dot prompts. Okay, import chat prompt template. Okay, this is done. So what else? I'm just thinking. Okay, done. Okay, so I think we need to import staff document chain. So for that, let me first do this thing first. Okay, couple of important things. Let me do it first. We need to set up the environment variable, right? So from .env import load.env, right? This is done. So first thing first, we'll be going to create a LLM. The LLM is actually going to be chat OpenAI, and our model is going to be okay VPT-4. Okay, now load.env, and we'll be going to set up the Neo4j graph. Graph will be Neo4j graph. So Neo4j graph is not imported. So from LangChain experimental, I think this is going to be from LangChain experimental or community. I think graph. Okay, import Neo4j. So Neo4j graph, like these things are ready, and I think we have to set up an LLM transformer. LLM transformer is actually part of LangChain experimental. From LangChain experimental, okay, LangChain experimental dot graph transformer, right? Import LLM transformer, and here I'll be going to set up an LLM underscore transformers. And LLM transformer will be this LLM graph transform. And inside that, what you have to do, I have to pass the I have to pass what you say, the LLM. So basically, this is going to use your large language model GPT-4 to transform any natural language into graph documents. Okay, so everything is ready. What else? What else? What else? Yeah, I need to import the document. So of course, we'll be going to LangChain. Okay, LangChain dot doc store. Okay, dot document import document. Okay, all done. Okay, this is completed. Now what we'll do here, we'll be going to actually, first of all, we'll be going to load this file, this cb dot this thing. So for that, what we'll do, loader equals to ipdf loader, right? So file path. So file path will be raw string and copy path, right? Let's do it here. And after that, we'll be going to create equals to loader dot load like this in print docs. Okay, so let's see. Let it do it. Okay, let it execute. It's doing it here. Okay, I got it here. Now what we'll do, we have to actually remember this name. So okay, so what I do, I'm going to write source equals to docs.0. I need this metadata. Okay, dot metadata, and inside that I need this source, right? Basically this is going to give me the source of this thing. Okay, done. Now what you gonna do, so we'll be going to use this thing to actually summarize something, right? So for that, first of all, let's create a prompt. Okay, prompt equals to at prompt template. Okay, dot from template. Okay, we'll do summarize content with 4 to 5 sentences focusing on personal information, okay, education, organization, okay, experience in organization, Okay. So okay, so what I do is going to make it like this. Okay, it will be okay. Experiences organization, then uh, what else? Mm, project details, skills, programming language, okay, and after that it will be like this, comma, right, context. Okay, all done. Let's execute this thing and see whether I'm getting any error or not. No error. No error means everything is working fine. Right? Now we'll be going to create a chain. Okay, so chain will be it starts because we'll be going to combine multiple documents maybe in the future, because right now it is just one document, but let's say if you are going to combine with multiple, so it will be stuck. So it is better to use that. So from LangChain, okay, okay, LangChain dot chains, okay, dot combine documents, import, create staff document chain. Okay, now we'll write create staff document chain like this. Okay, there will be just write LLM and prompt. Okay, all done. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll just do response. Okay, so response is chain dot invoke. Okay, so what we'll be going to pass in the invoke, so let's say context, and there we'll be going to pass this docs. Okay, okay, so let's see. So this is going to give me the summarize part of this thing. Okay, let's print response. Okay, print response. Let's see. Okay, if you see the entire CV has been responded like that. Okay, this CV is responded like that. Okay, okay. So now what will happen here? Now we are going to create something interesting, very interesting. Okay, so maybe write like summary equals to document, so import it from here, and inside that we'll be going to pass page content will be response. Okay, right, and our metadata, okay, this metadata, okay, will be like this. This is, so your is source is going to be source. Remember, we did it here, this source. Okay, so everything is completed. Okay, so we can do that, and we want to actually append that inside a document, right? So doc mains is blank, and this blank document is actually going to contain all this document in the list. Okay, summary. Then, right now we have summarized text document. Okay, now we'll be going to convert that into a graph document. So we can just write graph underscore documents equals to LLM underscore transformer dot convert to graph documents, and inside that I'll be just going to pass that document, this document. This is ready, right? Now last thing, we're going to print this. Okay, and I'm just going to clear this. Okay, so let's execute this thing. This is going to take some time. Meanwhile, I can show you guys that this is my Neo4j database just now we created, and I'll be just going to open it. Let it open. Meanwhile, I'm just going to copy the password from here. Let it open. Okay, so it will be username password Neo4j. Like, let's log in and see. It's still working. This is going to take some time. This part is actually going to take some time. Okay, this is normal. This is ready actually now. Okay, if you see, this is ready. Okay, now what we'll do, it's getting logged in. So meanwhile, let it log in. We'll be going to do the last part. We have an instance of a Neo4j graph. I created graph, so it will be just one line, graph dot add graph documents, and inside that I'll be just going to put graph document. That's it, ready. Okay, it's clear. Our knowledge graph will be ready. Okay, what I'll do now, here I can show you guys, this is actually a blank graph. Okay, nothing is there. So let's execute. Okay, if you see here, this is blank. Okay, now let's execute this thing and see what is going to happen now. Okay, let's execute and let's wait. Okay, it will come shortly. Let's wait for some time. Okay, it's still working. Okay, it's finished here. Let's go and check. So for that you have to just refresh this thing. The counts will come shortly. Yeah, you see counts are coming. So it's total 18 nodes and 17 relationship, right? So basically it's a percent. Let's click on the percent. Okay, let's minimize this thing. Okay, we have only one person, only one will come. Okay, see Rahul Malik. This is the person for which we got the CB. Now let's minimize this and let's click here. We'll be able to see all the graphs. See, okay, right? This is amazing, right? Okay, I hope you guys like this. Okay, that is the thing. That is the ultimate thing we are developing here. Okay, that's it guys. That is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys uh, like this tutorial, and in the future video we'll be going to create the rag. We are just building the knowledge graph now, and later on we'll be going to creating the graph rag. But these things are important. If you don't know the integration, then it will be difficult. So in the last video I have shown you how to do it from YouTube video. This video I'm showing you how to do it from the CB, right? So every industry related use cases I'm targeting. So last use case was maybe from customer knowledge base. This is for HR knowledge base, right? So many different use cases you can do it, right? Okay, so let's conclude the tutorial over here. But before I conclude, I'd like to say a couple of things. These things are actually my personal request. So guys, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share the videos with your family and friend, and uh, try to get some like engagement. I'm actually looking forward to get some help from all of you guys. I need your help to grow, because until and unless you guys are not subscribing to my channel will not get some push from the YouTube. And the moment you guys start subscribing to my channel, I will get some push from the YouTube algorithm as well, and also that will help me to reach large number of audience, right? So please help me guys to grow, and I'm promising I always come back with nice and quality content. Okay, so that's it guys, that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.